Today our topic is carotenoids. As before video we have discussed about the chlorophyll. There were the two types of the pigments. Number one was the carotenoids. Number one was a chlorophyll, and number two is the carotenoids. So today we will discuss about the carotenoids. Basically, carotenoids are they are terpenoids lipids. Terpenoids lipids. Basically, this is a type of lipid which is made up of the isoparanoid unit. Made up of the isoparanoid units. Formula of isoparanoid units is C5NH8. Basically, carotenoids are made up of the terpenoid lipids. Basically, terpenoids are the type of lipid which is made up of the isoparanoid unit. We can say these are the monomer, and the terpenoids are the polymer of the isoparanoid, right? After that, carotenoids are the accessory pigments. What is mean by accessory pigments? Accessory pigments are those who capture light and pass to other pigments and pass to other pigments. Accessory pigments are those who capture light and pass to other pigments. For example, we are having carotenoids. Basically, carotenoids pass light to the chlorophyll B, then chlorophyll B pass light towards the chlorophyll A. This is called as the accessory pigment that capture light. Carotenoids will capture light and it will pass towards the chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll B will pass towards the chlorophyll A. So it is known as a accessory pigments. They are red, orange and yellow in color. They are red, orange and yellow in color. Carotenoids are yellow in color. After that, they attract insects, birds and animals for the pollination. Birds, insects and some small animals for the pollination. When the pollination process will occur, they will use birds, insects and animals for that. After that, the carotenoids basically we can say control they control, or we can say protect chlorophyll from high intensity of light. They protect chlorophyll from high intensity. As I discussed here, they will pass towards the chlorophyll B, light pass to the chlorophyll B, then it pass to the chlorophyll A. So they protect the chlorophyll A and B from the high intensity of the light. After that, they can be seen before leaf falling. They can be seen before leaf falling. How? We are having one thing, that is an auxin called pigment. This is a pigment, right? This is basically responsible for synthesis of the chlorophyll. Responsible for synthesis of chlorophyll. For synthesis of chlorophyll. As you've seen in autumn seasons, there are we see the yellow leaves. Why? Because there will be the deficiency of the chlorophyll. Why deficiency of chlorophyll? Because there will be the no synthesis of the chlorophyll because of the auxin. When there will be the no auxin, there will be the no synthesis of the chlorophyll, so the leaves become yellow. So carotenoids are seen before the leaf falling. After that, we are having two types of the carotenoids. Two types of carotenoids. One is carotene, and number two is a xanthophyll. Basically, these are the two, we can say, forms of the carotenoids. If we talk about the carotene, it have red and orange color. It have red and orange color, and xanthophyll have the yellow color. As I discussed in carotenoids, we are having here red, orange and yellow color. Here they are differentiate that carotene having red and orange, but xanthophyll having yellow color. We are having many types of carotene. One of them is a beta carotene. Beta carotene. It is most abundantly found. Most abundantly found type of the carotene is a beta carotene. After that, lutein is the most abundant form of the xanthophyll. It is also having many forms, but one of the most abundant is the lutein form. Right. So these were the two types of the carotenoids, carotene and xanthophyll. So that was all about carotenes.